TCS Q3 FY26 results, revenue growth or profit pressure explained. Tata Consultancy Services has reported its financial performance for the third quarter of FY26, covering the period ended December 31, 2025. The results highlight stable business momentum with contrasting movements in revenue and profitability. During the quarter, TCS recorded consolidated revenue of around 67,000 crore rupees. This represents moderate year-on-year growth, supported by continued demand across digital, cloud, and enterprise transformation services. Despite the growth in revenue, net profit declined compared to the same quarter last year. Higher operating costs, continued investments in talent, and certain exceptional expenses weighed on the bottom line. The company's operating performance remained steady, reflecting disciplined execution in a challenging global environment. TCS continued to focus on cost management while balancing long-term growth initiatives. TCS also announced an interim dividend of 57 rupees per share, including a special payout component. This reflects the company's strong cash generation capability and commitment to rewarding shareholders. On a sequential basis, revenue showed incremental improvement, indicating stable client spending patterns. While decision cycles remain cautious, demand has not materially weakened across key accounts. One of the key positives in the quarter was momentum in next-generation services. Artificial intelligence, cloud adoption, and data-led transformation continued to drive deal wins and pipeline growth. The company has been steadily scaling its AI-led offerings, positioning itself to benefit from rising enterprise adoption of automation and intelligent systems. These areas are expected to be long-term growth drivers. Geographically, performance was mixed across regions, reflecting uneven recovery trends in global spending. Some markets showed stability, while others remained under pressure due to macro uncertainty. Margins remained within a controlled range, supported by operational efficiencies and utilization improvements. However, sustained margin expansion may depend on improved pricing and demand visibility. From an investor perspective, the results underline TCS's resilience as a market leader. While profit growth faced short-term challenges, the company's scale, client relationships, and balance sheet strength remain intact. Looking ahead, investors will track large deal conversions, AI-led revenue contribution, and margin trends. Execution in high-growth technology segments will be key to sustaining long-term earnings growth. Overall, TCS's Q3 FY26 performance reflects steady business fundamentals, strategic investment in future technologies, and a cautious near-term outlook shaped by global economic conditions.